at the 2223 West Morning Spring Place. We have another open house tomorrow. Now look at me right here. Here's the kitchen. What do you think? And here's a nice refrigerator over here. And then if you want to look around over this side over here, if you like the color of the cabinetries, I love it. And then follow around this area. Like the main door is over here. I don't know if you can still see me. From far away, there's a stairs upstairs. And if you want to look at over here, the nice chandelier. What do you think? And look at over here, this person right here sitting.
Nice lady here selling in the house. Come join us and see the house for yourself.
We're sitting right here, waiting for the right buyers for our sellers.
And maybe the right buyer for this house.
Indeed, yes. Come and check us out tomorrow between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. We're gonna be here doing another open house. The same time, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. See you tomorrow.